friends, I am Dr. Sunil Yadav, educational leader and educational speaker. Today, I will speak about pedagogy of online teaching. Friends, due to medical crisis, there are some changes in pedagogy of online teaching. Earlier, teachers were teaching in the campus with all the infrastructure and there was face to face interaction with the children. But now only there is digital connection is there. Earlier, three major poles were there. Therefore, education was considered as tripolar process. Family, student, and teachers were three important factors which were contributing in teaching learning process. But now, between student and teacher has entered technology. Due to this, the interaction between teacher and student is totally dependent upon technology. This has increased the distance between student and teacher, but at the same time, it has decreased the distance between teacher and parents. In such a condition, there are some more updation is required from teacher's side. First, they have to start learning very fast how to use this technology. Means they have to become expert in using the modern technology. Plus second, they have to develop interpersonal relation, diplomatic skill so that they can deal with parenting issue also, friends. Today, I will mainly focus on skills related with teaching. Point is preparation. Friends, earlier also we were doing lot of preparation before going in the classroom. But now preparation is required, but we have to add some more preparation, means more preparation is required. You have to prepare your script, practice it, record and listen your own lectures. First, listen to yourself. When you develop expertise, when you think that you have become expert, only then deliver it in the classroom, because now you have become a global teacher. You are not closed within four walls of the classroom. People will be judging you, will be commenting on you, they will be evaluating your performance, and your performance will be directly related with the performance of your school. Second point, introduction. In brief, introduce your topic by asking simple probing questions. But now, not only you can use questions, you can play some audios, you can play some video, you can show some image, you can show some data. By using these different stimulus, you can attract the attention of the student in the beginning of your class. Third one, friends, in 40 minutes of period, we were able to teach more topics, but now it is not possible. I suggest reduce your topic, slow down your speed for better understanding for the children and for better performance in the online class. Friends, I will suggest in one day, in one class, include only 3 to 5 points only, not more than this. Fourth point, presentation. You have to focus more on presentation because school teachers are now compared with studio teachers. It means our performance is being evaluated by student and parents, and they compare us with the performance of those teachers who cannot teach in real classroom setting. They used to teach in studio where there is a much facility of recording, re-recording, editing, re-editing, sound modulation, voice reduction, noise reduction, special effect, but we have to compete with them. So we have to develop basic skills, how to face camera, have a smiling face as per the requirement of your profession, develop good eye-to-eye contact. I am not saying become the charismatic showman, but this is the requirement of the time, and all of you may have done all these things during inter-house events. Start assimilating those skills in your performance. A time will come you can outperform teachers who are teaching in the studio. Fifth point, use of PowerPoint presentation. Some teachers are having habit of presenting whole class in the form of PowerPoint presentation, but I suggest use PowerPoint presentation to explain complex ideas, complex mind map, complex diagrams and examples. 6. Handling question. Friends, a knowledge untested is not reliable. So, after delivering lectures, ask some question. Earlier we used to say children, if you are having doubt, ask question. Instead of framing this type of sentence, you have to say, if any point is not clear, ask me so that I can clear. Many a time, due to connection problem, network problems, audio problem, video problem, we are not able to answer the question of all children. So instead of using audios and video, there is chat option in the app. You can give permission so that student can chat their question. So There will be group discussion in the online class, and you reply also through chat. Seventh, invite feedback. Friends, you may be in the initial stage of teaching online. There is always scope for betterment. Ask from your children, give their feedback. If possible, ask from parents to give the feedback. Ask from your colleague to give feedback. Ask from your seniors, they will be giving you feedback. Accept this feedback constructively and as much as possible implement it. A day will come when you will rock in online class, friends. Subscribe my channel, share, comment, and forward it to your friends if you like. Keep on updating yourself by watching my channel to get latest educational updates. Thank you.